So your service learning project assignment that's due on Thursday is a directed letter to your organization, specifically introducing yourself to your selected group and establishing preferred means of communication between you and the organization you are going to do your service learning project with. So you may either write a business letter as detailed in week 7, or summarize how a meeting or phone conversation or email exchange has met the standards of the grading criteria communications. So you have until Thursday to complete this assignment this week. And so what we're looking at is primarily this, right? So this would be an example of a letter to the ARC of Lane County. And this would be an example of the rubric. So it's pretty straightforward. It's worth not many points, so just 5. Your group assignment needs to only be a group of 2 or 3. Now this is important because if the groups get too big, your presentations are going to be challenging for next year. What we have found is when we've had groups of more than 3 students, the presentations to the Lane community, which you'll do next year in the spring, and these are your service learning project presentations, the poster presentations that some of you saw about 4 weeks ago. There's just a lot of people standing around in front of the posters, and it just doesn't give the chance for the community to interact with 1 or 2 students. So we are allowing groups of 3. So only 1 service learning letter per group. So if there's a group of 3, only 1 of you needs to submit the letter. Just let me know who's in your group in your submission so I know who to give credit to, because you're all going to earn the same grade in your group. If you're still struggling with a service learning project, please let me know. This does not need to be wet in stone. In other words, if you change your mind this summer and decide to go with another organization, that's fine. You don't need to talk to me ahead of time. But our preference is to use an organization that was listed last fall in PTA 100. So I hope you're all on track with this. If you have questions, I will be in the office Monday and Tuesday, and certainly during Open Lab for this week. So that's kind of it in a nutshell. You have an example of a letter that you could submit. You're following this framework, and then you also have the grading rubric. So I said 5 points. I actually am incorrect. The actual points are 12 points for this assignment. I look forward to seeing your submissions as they come in this week. Thank you.